Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the This Apple ID is not active issue. Now first up, what you can try is restarting your device. Sometimes a simple restart can fix the problem, and you can do this by pressing and holding the power button and either volume button until the slider appears. Then drag the slider to turn off your device, then turn it back on. Next, you can also try resetting your Apple ID password. To do this, head to iforgot.apple.com and follow the instructions to reset your password. This can help if your account was locked due to incorrect password attempts. Next, you can also check Apple System Status. So just go ahead and visit the Apple System Status page to see if there are any ongoing issues with Apple ID services. Next, ensure your payment information is up to date. Sometimes issues with billing can cause your Apple ID to be disabled. And finally, if none of the above steps work, you may need to contact Apple support directly for further assistance. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.